Order filled.
So let's see how it plays itself out. Here's what we're looking for. We keep getting revert. We keep getting knocked back right here, but we're gonna set our stop right here at this discount zone, and we're looking to target our high here. So let's see how it plays itself out. If the trade doesn't work, it's okay. We live to trade another. Now we have our stop loss in place, but we said today was a day where we cut risk, right? So we're cutting risk on today. We're not fully engaging into the markets because, like how we said, we're looking for the dollar to be able to find some structural positioning within itself. We know that it went and took back those equal highs and it started reverting back, and it has not found no level of support as of yet. So right now what we're going to be getting is sideways movement and continuing a continuance to the downside, and that is on everything: precious metals, crude oil, MES, MNQ. So this move of what's happening here is going to be quick, manipulated. We're going to take profits, walk away, and get out, and be ready for the reversal. Okay, so that's what this is. It's a quick move, and this is exactly what we wanted to see here. Nice, beautiful push to the upside. So as this trade is continuing to push up, this is beautiful. This is what we want to see here. This is a beautiful trade. So this is a resistance zone of where we are. This could be the manipulated move of what we're talking about. So if we can push past this key level here, we'll be able to look to take a small partial. All right, beautiful. Nice push towards the upside. We're going to get out of one contract here.
Order filled.
Take some profits off the table, and now we just we'll move our stop to break even, and now we just got ourselves a free trade, and we're just going to let this trade plan itself out until we be able to get to our target zone. Once we hit our target zone, then we're going to be out, and then we're going to be waiting for the full distribution move, because what I want to see here is this. I want to see, y'all already know, those of you who understand my model, we got this move, we get this move, and then we get this move. All right, so let's see how it plays itself out for today. But right now we are in profits. We did lock in some profits this morning, so beautiful trade on today so far to be able to get the day started. Our first initial move, like what we talked about, like how I said, like you're going to get that manipulated move, but it's going to show you that, hey, like all you need is candle closure above that level. Once we got a candle closure above this level, we was a little bit too early, and this right here is what I'm talking about, so that I can show you here. Let me mark it so you could be able to identify exactly what I'm talking about. And it was this candle here. Once we got displacement above our key level of what we wanted and it closed, it was okay for us to be able to hop back into the trade, right? Like we knew we got what we wanted. We pulled back into discount zone, and all we did was allow ourselves to reposition so that we didn't have to take on any drawdown. And you saw once the market pulled back into discount, what happened? We shot right up. Now we're having a minor pullback because of this level here, right? We know we got high resistance here, so we need to be able to break above this level in order to be able to take out this high that's up here. That's why this was an initial target for our first TP. This is where we took off a contract. Once we took off one contract that was there, we left a runner, And now we'll allow that runner to be able to take us to final TP that is here. And once we make it here and we trade here, we close the trade and we wait on the reversal. Because I would consider this the manipulated move. So this is looking beautiful so far. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is what we want. This is what we want to see. If we can break up out of that, we close out on the trade. So far, man, this is everything of what we called this morning, man. I honestly, like I tell people all the time, it's a matter of you being able to understand where we are within the trade itself. Once you can understand where we are within the trade itself, what is happening, what is going on, what is the story that's being told, it makes it so much more easier for you to be able to trade. Like I said, I love it when it's comfortable, man. I honestly like comfortability. Like, give me some jazz. I had to re-listen to the stuff to check us out on YouTube. But yeah, you be able to get trades like this every single time, man. I love how easy this is. And I tell people all the time, we only take trades that's based upon our model. Once our model presents itself, we take on the opportunity. And most people, where they rush at is not understanding the story of what the market tells within itself. And when you have those extra tools, that's why I said it's important that you get my newsletter. It's important that you become a part of our community to get the newsletter, and it makes it easier for you to trade. Look at the information of what I give. I give you the technical roadmap from my desk itself, telling you exactly what is happening, what is the reason for the markets doing what it's doing, and what you have to do in order to be able to find the specific trades of what you're looking for. It's game changer. It's game changer. It's game changer. So we just took our stop off. If we trade back below the level, we'll close the trade. But if we stay above that level of our initial TP, hey, then we're gonna walk away. So it'll be like that, right? We don't want to give any profits back, so we'll just lock it in to where it is. But we're reaching where we want to initially TP out of the trade, and that is here at 74.16. Can we get 74.16? If we could get 74.16, then we're out. That's our TP. If we break back below the level, hey, then it's all good. But I told you, either way it goes, it's a winning trade. We already locked in profits already. This is our runner that we're allowing to run. But I'm looking at this move as the manipulated move. But the full move of what we want is going to be coming to take out this low where this black line is. That's what we really want for our bigger move on today. So let's see. You plan the trade and you trade the plan. That's what separates you from everybody else in the game. That's going to separate you from everybody else in the game. Consistency rules. Those of you who are consistent and you can remain consistent within your trading, you become successful.
Order filled.
Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade on today. Wow. Beautiful. Way to lock in some profits. Way to get the day. Beautiful way to get the day started, man. Beautiful way to get the day started on our first trade. And we crushed it. We crushed our first trade. We crushed it. So, and the reason why we wanted that high and why we targeted that high, because it was a strong high.